Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing SEO tool that will help you for your YouTube videos as well as for your blog. So the website name is Answer Socrates. Here you can find the trending questions people are asking in the specific country. For example, here you can see you can search for the topic. I already searched for health, and from here you can select the country, United Kingdom or United States, and you can select the language and then search. From here you can see that what people are searching for in related to health, what are the questions. Okay, so here you can see the Google Trends, and it is giving us the information from 31st January to 29th to 29th January, that is today when I'm recording this video. Okay, so you can see from there are 128 questions you can see here. Okay, so what kind of questions people are asking? Can I get health insurance now? Can health insurance drop you? Or whatever kind of questions people are asking, you can search for them, and from here you can search for trending topics. Just randomly search the trending topics in United States. Okay, so what people are searching in United States are Megan Fox. Is Megan Fox Filipino? What disease does Megan Fox have? And there are 100,000 plus searches per month. Okay, same goes for country love and FB stock as well. You can find more questions related to it, what people are exactly searching for. Okay, can Courtney Love play guitar? And there are a lot of questions that will help you in ranking your website or your YouTube videos. Okay, from here you can download the CSV of these question or the list of questions, and I hope this video helped, and like the video and subscribe the channel to keep yourself up to date.